Hey guys, and welcome back. This time we've got another comparison video for you between two of the better prop trading firms going around in the industry at the moment. This time we're going to have a look at Funded Next and the prop trading. Now we're going to compare them on some different topics, their general company details, their funding program options, trading platforms, some community feedback, and we're just going to see how they stack up against each other and maybe which one is more beneficial for you. As always, be sure to stick with us until the end. We've got some discount codes for both prop trading firms for you. With all of that being said though, let's dive into the comparison. So let's start with some general company details. Funded Next, they were incorporated in March 2022, so fairly new, while the prop trading started operating in February 2020. So the incorporation difference is more than 2 years in favor of the prop trading. Now, regarding who's running the show and their CEOs, Funded Next is being run by Abdullah Jayed, while their prop trading CEO is Will Gomez. We can definitely say that they're doing a good job. Both prop trading firms are doing very, very well. Obviously, the prop trading has a little bit more time in terms of establishment, but Funded Next is already making some great waves after being around for not a very long time at all. Now, when looking at office locations, Funded Next has offices located in the UAE, USA, Europe, and Bangladesh, while the prop trading has offices located in Brisbane, Australia, my home country. So let's have a look at the last little bit, the maximum allocation capital, before we dive into some more intricate details. So Funded Next, they allow traders to work with capital up to $4 million, while the prop trading caps the maximum allocation capital to $500,000. After that mark, you can continue to scale your account with no maximum upside limit though, so that's worth keeping in mind. But let's have a look in a bit more depth at some other details. Now, when looking at funding programs, obviously we can find different structures. Out there you can find funding programs, you can find one-step evaluation, two-step evaluation, instant funding, and then in some cases, assessment management. Not as common though. Funded Next, they offer traders to choose between their express model, which is a one-step evaluation, and what they call the evaluation model, which is a two-step evaluation. The prop trading, on the other hand, they offer traders only a two-step evaluation program. So that's what we're going to compare and put up against each other. So looking at the trading objectives, as I always say, there's so many different aspects that we can go through. It's a conversation for another day if we were going into all of the details, but we've just narrowed it down to what we feel are the most important rules and guidelines when choosing a prop trading firm or weighing up which one might be best suited for you. Again, note that just since both prop trading firms only share a two-step evaluation program, that's the one we're going to compare. Starting with profit targets, Funded Next, they have a profit target of 10% in phase 1, 5% in phase 2, while the prop trading has a profit target of 8% in phase 1 and a profit target of 5% in phase 2. Both prop firms have an identical 5% maximum daily loss rule and 10% maximum loss rule. When looking at the minimum trading day requirements, Funded Next, they have a 5 minimum trading day requirement on each of the evaluation phases, while the prop trading has no minimum trading day requirements. Another ruling that is identical with both prop firms is the maximum trading day requirements. So both prop firms have 30 calendar days for phase 1, and then you get 60 calendar days for phase 2. So no difference there. And let's have a look at the profit splits. So Funded Next, they have a profit split of 80% that can be scaled up to 90%, while the prop trading has a fixed profit split of 80%. Another small detail that you should just probably consider is that the Funded Next rewards successful traders with a 15% profit share bonus for the profits made in phase 1 and phase 2. So a trader is eligible for the 15% profit split from the evaluation stages when they reach a profit target of 5% on their live funded account. So a few different trading objectives the same, a few different. None is necessarily better than the other. It's going to come down to personal preference, but those are the most important factors in our eyes that you need to be considering when looking at different prop firms. Now, when we look at the prices, they're fairly similar to what we would say is industry average prices. So let's take a look. Both prop trading firms, they share the following account sizes. You can see they have a 25K, 50K, 100K, and 200K. So let's compare the prices of those account sizes. So the 25K Funded Next account, as you can see, costs $199. This is all USD. The prop trading 25K account, that costs $209. The 50K evaluation account of both prop firms costs $299. The 100K funded next account costs $549, while the prop trading 100K account costs $499. And the last one, the 200K funded next account costs $999, while the 200K, the prop trading account, costs $949. So as you can see, the pricing in the spreadsheet, they are fairly similar. Some of the prop trading in some instances are a bit more expensive, cheaper in others. So again, comes down to personal preference. It is worth mentioning though that if you apply the discount codes that we provide you for both of these prop firms, you will get all of these prices a little bit cheaper. So that's a nice bonus to watching our videos. Now, when looking at trading platforms, we can see that the compared prop firms are very different. So let's have a look. Funded Next, they allow traders to trade only on MetaTrader 4 while being partnered with a very well-known broker by the name of 8cap. And the prop trading, on the other hand, they allow you to trade on MetaTrader 5 trading platforms and is partnered with the brokers Capital. So different brokers, different trading platforms, both very established though, so it doesn't really matter which one you go for there. Again, it's going to come down to personal preference. Let's have a look at the trading instruments. They do both allow you to trade a wide range of instruments, but as you can see, as per the spreadsheet, a couple that Funded Next doesn't allow. So they both allow you to trade Forex pairs, commodities, and indices. And as you can see, the prop trading also offers traders a chance to trade cryptocurrencies and stocks. So it depends what you're looking to trade there as to which one might be best for you. But now that we've covered which trading platforms each prop firm is offering and then the trading instruments that you can trade with, let's jump into the commissions you're charged while trading with them. So Funded Next, they charge you $3 per round lot for Forex pairs, while there's no commission charges for trading commodities and indices. The prop trading, on the other hand, they charge you no commissions at all for trading any of their trading instruments. This alone is a very attractive feature. It can significantly benefit scalpers and day traders, so it's worth taking into account. Of all the comparisons we've done, we don't really ever see zero commissions, so it's worth keeping in mind. It's rather attractive, to be honest. And then the last thing we'll have a look at is the feedback from each prop firm's community. As always, it gives us a really bit of valuable insight and information about the positive and sometimes negative features of each prop firm. So let's have a look at Trustpilot. It's always pretty reliable to have a look at. At the time of recording, Funded Next, they have an excellent rating of 4.6 out of 5 out of, at the moment, 637 reviews, while the prop trading, on the other hand, they have a rating of 4.5 out of 5 out of 780 reviews. Not that there's too much of a difference, but Funded Next obviously started operating in March this year compared to the prop trading, who is a couple of years older. So they've got a few more reviews, but you can see what sort of impact Funded Next is having and how quickly they are growing in popularity. They've rose in popularity almost instantly since launching in March earlier this year. So they are doing a really wonderful job. But again, both are very legitimate. Go and have a look at all these comments yourself so you can see from the outside or from real customers who have gone through the different trading platforms. Obviously, we take a look at the prop trading platforms from an external view about what they do well, but the feedback on Trustpilot is going to give you a first-hand account from some traders, so definitely worth looking into. And just to conclude and summarize this comparison, so Funded Next and the prop trading, they're definitely two of the industry-leading prop firms. As you can see, they're offering excellent conditions to traders worldwide. The main difference would include the funding programs. Funded Next obviously has that one-step and two-step evaluation model, while the prop trading only offers the two-step evaluation program. And then just going back into some little details, obviously a bit of a difference would be the profit targets. Funded Next requires you to gain 10% in phase one, while the prop trading requires only 8%. Another different trading objective is the minimum trading day requirement. So Funded Next has a minimum trading day requirement of 5 calendar days per evaluation phase, while the prop trading has no minimum trading day requirements. Such as some other things, the phase 2 profit targets, maximum daily loss, and maximum trading days, they're all entirely identical to both prop firms, so no real difference to look out for there. As we went over the trading platforms, Funded Next, they use 8cap as their broker and allow traders to only trade on MetaTrader 4. Prop trading, on the other hand, they allow you to trade on MetaTrader 5, and they're being partnered with the brokers Capital as their liquidity provider. Again, both prop trading firms allow you to trade Forex pairs, commodities, and indices. However, as we went over before, the prop trading also allows you to trade crypto and stocks. And then looking at commission prices, well, this was a bit of a stark contrast. FundedNext charge you $3 per round lot for Forex pairs. They don't have commissions for trading commodities or indices, but the prop trading don't charge any commissions during the evaluation phases, as well as when a trader qualifies for a funded account. Not bad. And then the last thing we went over was obviously the feedback. They were pretty on par with each other. A couple more reviews for one over the other, but their ratings at 4.6 and 4.5 out of 5 is very strong. So definitely in good hands there. So after looking at everything that we've gone over, again, we can safely say that both of these prop firms are for sure in the category of industry-leading prop trading firms that we can find at the moment. So take your pick on which one that you feel will be best for you, but we feel they are two very, very strong contenders to be up there for one of the best in the industry. Thanks again for watching, guys. As always, please subscribe to watch more comparisons as well as review videos. We go in depth with all sorts of prop firms. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you don't miss any of our videos. I've put a link in the description below for the discount code, so make sure you get your hands on those, particularly if you are going to jump in and have a go at one of these prop firms. But again, thank you very much for being here. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.